Right, ladies and gentlemen, some nice vehicles coming into the ring, and already side by side, come alongside him, sir. That's it. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, already a really nice cross-section of vehicles. Very often you get all your escorts and those sort of things, which, yes, they're classics, but we can see that we've got a lot of different ones here today. So if you've been round, start a second row. If you've been round, come in. Come in then, if you've already been round. Right, so a lot of different ones. Right, are we all in, and then it's safe for me. Right, while they're lining up, we'll crack on. So with these older cars, ladies and gentlemen, something you don't see nowadays, of course, health and safety, the bonnet motif, and it came into being originally. The radiator cap was stuck up in the bonnet there, and everybody decided that it was an ugly feature, and so therefore this is why we ended up with the emblems on the fronts of the cars. So we'll check what's what, and this is where I have to come down. So sir, tell us about this lovely car. What is
this
it?
Is a 1955 Riley RME, a 1.5 litre twin cam. They started making this particular model straight after the war. At the end of 1945, they made about 50. And they continued making exactly the same. Well, this is a 1.5 litre. They also made a 2.5. Ash grain. They're all ash grain.
Right. I didn't realise that. So thank you very much.
Yeah, really difficult. I didn't think I had 2 actors.
Oh, that's mine. Right.